Warm greetings. This is Dr. Kavitha KR, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Saurashtra College, Madurai. Now we are going to see a very needed topic, that is GST. GST means Goods and Service Tax. It is a comprehensive, multi-stage, definition-based tax, and it is levied on the service with addition. It is a single tax on supply of goods and services from manufacturer to consumer. The final consumer bears the tax as the last person in the supply chain. This GST was enacted in India on 1st July 2017. GST replaced the complex multiple tax system with a unified structure aimed at creating a single national market. We can see about the features of GST. The first feature is GST is a comprehensive covering all goods and taxes except a few specific exceptions. It operates on a multi-stage tax collection system where tax is collected at each stage of production and distribution. GST is a destination based, meaning it levied at the place of final consumption. It focuses on taxing the value added at each stage of production and distribution. We can see about the components of GST. So coming to the component of GST, this gives a different components that is made up of CGST, SGST, IGST and UTGST, which are applied depending on whether transaction occurs within states, between states or in between union territories. This provides a comprehensive understanding of the tax structure under GST, ensuring clarity on tax collection and revenue sharing mechanisms. The key objectives of GST aims to achieve mainly simplifying India's tax structure by replacing numerous indirect taxes within a unified system. Additionally, GST aims to eliminate tax cascading, which ensure that taxes are applied only on the value addition at each stage of production and distribution, thereby promoting transparent pricing. Further sum, by streamlining compliance procedures, GST encourages more businessmen to register and pay taxes, ultimately expanding the tax base and enhancing overall tax collection efficiency. Next, the thing what we are going to see is the pros and cons of GST. So, come to the advantages of GST. The GST simplifies tax compliances process for business, reducing the overall tax burden by eliminating the cascading effect. And it also ensures clear and transparent transactions of taxation and facilitating the movement of goods and services across states, which enhances trade and contributes to economic growth. On the other hand, the disadvantages of GST are they have to follow various complex requirements which will be very high cost. It will be associated with very high cost, and compliance for small and medium enterprises will be very difficult for them, and potential strain on capital due to upfront tax payment, and it also mainly for the businessman with narrow profit margin. Coming to the conclusion, GST simplifies the tax structure by replacing multiple indirect taxes with a unified system. It promotes transparency through clear and streamlined tax processes, encouraging better compliance from business. By facilitating a free movement of goods and services across states and territory, GST supports economic growth. Continuous improvement are essential to address challenges and enhance the effectiveness of GST framework.